Hi guys, Daryl from Gazey Fitness, and if you've been following my series on IM8, very excited to show you the unboxing of the Beckham Stack. Now, is this a paid endorsement? Yes, it is. But let me preface that by saying that we were using the IM8 product, and my wife and I enjoyed it so much that we had to figure out how are we going to get this a little bit cheaper. So I thought we would start sharing it with our clients, and it really took off. Everyone loved the product, and as a result, we became an affiliate, and if you use the code, helps us, and it also helps you with a great discount. Why did I choose the IM8 product? Well, honestly, I got tired of the clutter of taking multiple supplements every single day. It was just bombarding the cabinet with all kinds of stuff, and it really condensed everything into one simple, easy to use product that kind of all encompassed the things that I was already taking, and it ended up being much cheaper and much more convenient as well. So this is the Beckham Stack. The first thing that stuck out in my mind was the very professional and nice packaging. Does that mean that it's a great product? Not necessarily, but that is the attention to detail that this company has, and yes, it is a great product. Let's open it up and see what's inside here when you order the Beckham Stack. It says right on the top there, IM8, the Beckham Stack. And here is supplement facts card for the Daily Ultimate Essentials with all the ingredients on the back. 92 different ingredients, and it's designed to focus on a number of key factors of health and good, solid nutritional support. Things like daily multivitamins and minerals, gut health with probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, heart health, brain health, electrolytes, anti-aging, and they utilize effective doses. It's not that they just sprinkled them in just so it can show up on the label and look good. The dosing is actually fantastic and what you need. Along with this is the Daily Ultimate Longevity. So the Beckham Stack is the Daily Multi-Essentials plus the longevity component as well. The longevity component is designed to combat the many aspects of aging, such as cellular health and rejuvenation and mitochondrial support for good aging process. Inside this, another little insert that says the Beckham Stack on the front. Let's open it up and have a look. Fancy cards. Little bit of the founders. It looks like a card of the various founders of IM8, doctors, scientific advisory boards. These are the mega minds behind this product. It wasn't, just throw something together or a copycat product. These are some heavy-hitting research, nutrition-oriented doctors, physicians, and scientists that came up with this product formulation to make it the best in the market. Clinically proven. Let's go over this because this is an important one. What you may expect to find by using these products. 95% of the people reported more energy. 85% of the people reported a healthier gut. 80% reported better sleep. And 75% noticed that they were performing sharper focus and improved mental clarity. And it just goes on to show you a little bit about the product. Before you begin, it says how to use, and basically the daily essentials and daily multis can come as a scoop with powder, so you'd use 1 scoop a day, one and done. So it's convenient, it's easy to use. I like the travel packs because they're also convenient, and if you're on the go and you love to travel or you're a busy professional, you can just pack them up with you and away you go. We've got inside the longevity formula, what it does. Let's go over just what it does here. It says the Daily Ultimate Longevity Formula is designed to support healthy aging by targeting all 12 hallmarks of aging through 5 synergistic complexes. The advanced blend is designed to boost cellular energy through NMN and NAD, reinforce cellular structure and resilience, activate proactive pathways like AMPK and SIRT1, and promote autophagy and cellular renewal, optimize mitochondrial function. Over 200,000 customer purchases, fueling more than 6 million servings worldwide. They've got what to expect in 90 days. They've got some recipe cards, what to mix it with, and your daily ultimate drink, how to use it. Basically, it's just mix 1 serving in water of each per day, and you are good to go. Now let's have a look at what we've got inside the box. Fantastic little shaker bottle. Hard plastic, not cheap. Great little thing. You mix it up and away you go. We've got the IM8. It says the best, choose the best. I'm not going to pop this one open, but the travel sacks. Hang on a second. I'll show you what they look like. You get 30 of these. Tear them off, mix them in the shaker. Away you go. You get 30 of these. These are the Daily Ultimate Longevities, which come like that. And that is the Beckham Stack. Now, is this a cheap product? No, it's not. It is a premium product, but it is cheap if you were to compare it to taking or sourcing these individual items on their own. I know I'm spending a small fortune trying to get all the aspects of nutrition with the electrolytes, with the daily multiple vitamin and mineral, with the gut health, the probiotics and prebiotics. If you were to buy all those things separately, the price really adds up. So now you've got 1 of these, 1 of these, and that's all you need. Fantastic product. Visit their website, im8health.com. Make sure you use code Gazey Fitness. Grab yourself a great deal. Support the channel. On some of our other videos, we're going to get into a deeper dive on what the ingredients are and what they are designed to do. I have a playlist as well. So subscribe, like, comment, and share. And as always, enjoy good health.